Okay, I don't know why nobody's talking about this, but the MacBook comes with a white noise machine built in, and it's completely free. All you have to do is go to System Settings, Accessibility, then Audio. From there, choose your background sound of choice, rain, fire, or babble, which is basically just coffee shop noise, and it's all free with no adverts and no subscription service. And I know there are so many people out there that are paying for a white noise app or a white noise subscription or using Spotify or even just using a tab in their browser. But the best thing about this one is that it runs natively on your Mac, meaning that it's not draining battery like a browser tab would be in Chrome, and you can just use it in the background of whatever you're doing, whether that be working, studying, sleeping, or even while you're on a call. And if you want more tech tips like this one, then come back next Tuesday for another one.